If you work in real estate, you already know the market has changed. Buyers are more informed, cycles are longer, competition is tougher, and AI is either going to help you win or leave you behind. I'm Cherilynn Castleman, Harvard instructor and executive sales coach, and I'm coming to Egypt to work directly with real estate professionals and leaders. This is a hands-on AI sales lab. Bring your laptop or tablet, and we will use AI to help you price smarter, generate better leads, prepare stronger client conversations, and coach your agents more effectively. Here's what you'll learn: how to forecast more accurately, manage performance without micromanaging, and build trust in those high-value emotional buying decisions. This is not theory. This is how modern real estate leaders win. You're going to leave with tools you can use immediately to grow your listings, shorten your sales cycles, improve follow-up, and create a better client experience. Come ready to work, engage, and level up how you sell and lead. Looking forward to seeing you.